Ngaphambi kokuba siqale, bhalisa kulesi siteshi manje. Uma uthanda umlando, imali, amandla okugcina ifa, nezindaba eziguqula impilo, lokhu kungesakho. Chofoza usubscribe ngoba namuhla sizokhuluma ngemali encane eyake yabanjwa ezandleni zabantu abaningi, kodwa embalwa kakhulu abazi amandla ayo angempela. Madoda ahloniphekile, ake sikhulume iqiniso. Eminyakeni edlule, sasingabantu ababala imali ngezandla, singathembeli kuma-apps noma amakhadi. Sasiwazi umehluko phakathi kwenani nentshisekelo. Sasiqonda ukuthi imali encane ingaba nencazelo enkulu. Namuhla, ngifuna sikubuyisele kulowo mqondo. Sikhuluma ngo-50 cents ka-2000 50 waseNingizimu Afrika. Imali abantu abaningi abayibona njengeyize, kodwa abanye bayibona njengengcebo, umlando, namandla angaguqula ikusasa. Le mali yakhishwa ngesikhathi iNingizimu Afrika yayisashintsha kakhulu. Umnotho wawushintsha, izinqubomgomo zezimali zazilungiswa, futhi izikhungo zokuprinta imali zazenza izinqumo ezinzima. I-50 cents ka-2000 50 ayigcini ngokuba yinsimbi. Imele isikhathi, imele izinqumo, imele izinguquko zomnotho ezithinta izizukulwane. Abantu abaningi bayichitha ngaphandle kokuyibheka kabili. Kodwa amadoda ahlakaniphile ayabuza, kungani le mali ikhona, futhi yini eyenza ihluke? Akuzona zonke izinhlamvu zemali ezidalwe ngokufanayo. Le 50 cents ka-2000 50 inezici ezenza ibe yinto ekhuluma kakhulu kubathandi bomlando nemali, isikhathi ekhiqizwe ngaso, izinga lokukhiqizwa elilinganiselwe, izinguquko zokwakheka uma ziqhathaniswa neminye iminyaka. Isimo semali uma isagcinwe kahle. Uma indoda igcina imali enjalo iminyaka, ayigcini nje insimbi, igcina indaba. Lokhu akukhulumi intsha efuna inzuzo esheshayo. Lokhu kukhuluma namadoda aqoqe impilo, aqonda ukubaluleka kokubekezela. Umqoqi wangempela uyazi, inani alihlali livela namuhla. Kwesinye isikhathi lithula iminyaka, libuka umhlaba ushintsha, bese livuka ngesikhathi esifanele. Le mali ingesinye salezo zinto ezithulayo kodwa ezinamandla. Cabanga ngalokhu, indoda egcine le mali ebhokisini, eshalofini, noma emgodini wokhuni. Izingane ziyakhula, izwe liyashintsha, kodwa imali ihlala. Ngelinye ilanga, le mali ayiseyona nje i-50 cents. Iba yifa. Iba yinto edluliselwa esizukulwaneni esilandelayo. Iba yisifundo sokuthi ungayibuki phansi into encane. Le ndaba ayigcini ngemali kuphela. Ifundisa ukuthi amandla awahlali emsindweni. Ngezinye izikhathi afihlekile, ethule, elinde umuntu onombono. Amadoda amaningi ayake ayibamba le mali. Ambalwa ayibona ngamehlo ahlukile. Umbuzo uthi, wena uyibona kanjani? Uma unemali endala ekhaya, ungasheshi uyilahle. Uma unentshisekelo emlandweni, ungayibuki phansi. Amadoda anolwazi ayazi ukuthi isikhathi siyakwazi ukuguqula incazelo yento. Le 50 cents ka-2000 50 iyisibonelo esiphelele salokho. Manje ake siphethe ngokuthula, kodwa nangamandla. Kunezindaba, imibiko, nezindaba zokuthi le mali, uma isesimweni esikhethekile, ingenye ezinhlobo ezingavamile kakhulu, ixhunyaniswe nenani elingafinyelela ku-$17 million. Cabanga ngalokho. Imali abantu abaningi abayibheka njengeyize. Imali eyadlula ezandleni zabantu abaningi ngaphandle kokucatshangelwa. Kodwa kwababona ngaphambili, yaba yinto enkulu. Uma uyithokozele le ndaba, bhalisa, yabelana nabanye amadoda ahloniphekile, futhi ukhumbule lokhu, ungalokothi ubukele phansi into encane, ngoba ingase ibe yifa elikhulu kusasa. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now if you respect history, if you value hidden wealth, and if you believe that knowledge today can become a power tomorrow, then this channel is for you. Subscribe because what you are about to hear may change how you look at the coins in your pocket forever. South Africa has always been a land of value. Gold beneath the soil, diamonds hidden in rock, and stories pressed quietly into metal. Coins are not just money. They are witnesses. They remember themes of change, struggle, pride, and identity. For many men who grew up during shifting eras, coins were a part of everyday life. They passed through strong working hands, paid for bread, fuel, and family needs. But some coins were never meant to be ordinary. Some were created with deeper purpose, and their true value only reveals itself to those who understand history. In 2013, South Africa issued a 50-cent coin that appeared simply to the untrained a modest size. Familiar weight. A design that blended into calculation without noise or celebration. Most people spend it without thinking twice, but powerful stories are often hidden in quiet places. This coin was produced during a period of national reflection, when South Africa was standing between legacy and future. The design, metal composition, minting decisions, and timing all combined to create something far more important than loose change. This was not just currency. It was a message cast in metal. Every line, symbol, and surface on this coin was carefully chosen. The imagery represents endurance, authority, and continuity. It speaks to men who understand responsibility, leadership, and the weight of team. The designers knew that coins last longer than paper promises. They knew that decades later, someone would still be holding this exact piece, asking questions. Why was it made this way? Why in that year? Why does it feel different? Coins legacies are designated not only to calculate, but to survive. Value does not come from metal alone. Value comes from rarity, condition, demand, and story. This 2013 South Africa 50-cent coin sits at a unique crossroads of all four. Some versions were struck differently. Some were released in limited quantities. Some were preserved unknowingly, untouched by team. And some were quickly removed from calculation by those who understood what was coming. As years passed, collectors began to notice unusual patterns. The weight felt slightly different. The finish told a different story. The minting quality stood apart. This is how legends begin. Men who collect coins are not chasing wealth alone. They are preserving truth. They are men who understand patterns, discipline, and foresight. Many of them are over 55 because they lived long enough to see how overlooked things become pretteless. They remember when gold was cheap. They remember when land was affordable. They remember when coins were just coins. And they know better now. This coin speaks directly to that generation. It rewards those who respect detail and theme. Condition is everything. A coin that survived without scratches, corrosion, or wear carries authority. It tells us it was protected. Perhaps intentionally. Perhaps by fate. There are rumors of specific batches. Quick discussions among serious collectors. Coins that were never meant to leave historic. Coins that tell a different story under magnification. Nothing official was ever announced. And that silence made the mystery strange. The most valuable things are rarely shouted about. They sit quietly while the world rushes past. This kind did exactly that. For years, it remained ignored by the public. But behind closed doors, conversations changed. Private hands began holding tight. Fewer examples surfaced. Demand grew silently. History shows us that when a coin stops appearing, it has already begun its rise. Nowhere arrive at the moment that separates curiosity from truth. Experts who understand rarity, provenance, and historical impact have reached a conclusion that shocked even seasoned collectors. Under specific conditions, verified authenticity, and pristine preservation, the true estimated value of this South Africa 50 cents coin from 2013 has reached an astonishing figure. Not thousands, not hundreds of thousands. The value discussed in elite private calculus has reached $55 million. Yes, $55 million, and the most incredible part is this: many people may still have this kind and not even realize what they are holding. This is why knowledge matters. This is why you subscribe today, and this is why history always rewards those who pay attention.